Here. Hi.
Hi. Oh, you hang up.
She hung up.
Yeah, you hung up. Say again.
Hello. It's Hannah. She wants to tell you she's gonna break up with her boyfriend.
Hi. Yes.
Why?
Because I did.
Do you love her anymore?
Yes, I do.
She cheat on you?
What?
She cheating on you? No.
I thought I was your girlfriend. Why not?
I know.
Tell me why I'm not your girlfriend.
I don't know.
Why not?
Why?
I don't know. You tell me.
No, you tell me.
Torrance.